Well, I mean, if anybody that's interested in reading anything that I've written, and I've been writing in some form or other, about politics, I've always slipped into. I started writing a column from prison, and it was supposed to be. I wrote, a couple of us were writing it, but I was supposed to be writing about looking at the world outside, and I ended up writing about prisoners, and it's just in my nature. I listen to some of those things that are said about my twittering by journalists who've never talked to me in their lives. It becomes a sinister Sinn Féin plan to, it's just me, right? For what it's worth, people can think it's stupid. They can.
Are you worried that people might think it's a bit weird?
I don't mind. If
might turn them off voting for you because they think that you're tweeting about your teddy bear.
Well, I mean, you have to think of the sensitivities of teddy bears. Teddy bears aren't given their place in the scheme of things in this world. So, I mean, let's not take any of this too seriously. Big thing I found about it, and I've been blogging for years now, but I mean, I haven't Twittered and Facebooking, but I haven't Twittered until maybe 3 weeks. It's not compulsory. You don't have to. You don't have to go on to it. You don't have to be part of it.
Fairly prolific, though.
Yeah, well, hopefully that will wear off. I mean, it is a wee bit addictive,
Yeah.
But look, there's some of the things that come back are hilariously funny. If you tweet something, and I can't think of an example now, but you will get a gem from somebody coming back. So it's also an insight, and I'm not being ageist when I say this. It's also an insight into how a generation of people here get all their information. I'm from the school that likes to have the newspaper in my hand and likes to have the book in my hand and sort of tactile reading. But a huge amount of people, particularly young people, get all of their information, all of their sort of chit chat, all of their news. Hence this medium that you're working for. They get it all through the internet, and that's a bit of a revelation to me. That you can get somebody, you can tweet on something, and somebody will answer you from Philadelphia, or from Spain, or from London, or from Washington, or from Tulla.